How to create blurred text in HTML CSS. Start by creating a block of text as usual. To blur the text, simply apply a CSS Blur Filter. The amount of blur can be controlled by setting the radius. To blur an entire section quickly, wrap it in a container. Add a blur layer. Set the container to relative position, the cover to absolute 100% width and height. Set the blur effect on the backdrop. Optionally, set a transparent background color. Lastly, this is an alternative way to create the blur effect. Instead of setting the blur filter, we hide the text with transparent color. Then, create the blur effect by adding text shadow. To control the blur effect, we can stack more text shadow. That's all for this short tutorial. Like and subscribe for more.